not follow where the path may lead. Go instead where there is no path and leave a trail. That's the mark of a leader. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the virtual investiture ceremony of Class 12, 2020-21. This ceremony is a solemn event. The school lays its trust in the students' abilities, who in turn promise their solidarity and commitment to the institution and hold the school flag high while believing in the school mission of service before self. The secret of change is to focus all your energy not on fighting the old, but on building the new. This statement defines our director principal, Ms. Aditi Misra, Her positive leadership in these unprecedented times is not only plan driven but also purpose driven. Her innovating methods of imparting education focus on building life skills, empowering young adults to become the better version of themselves. We request you, ma'am, to address the gathering.
Namaskar and welcome to the Investiture Ceremony for the Head Council 2020-21. These are very unusual times, I've said that often. But unusual times call for unusual solutions. And we at DPS Sector 45 Gurgaon believe that nothing should keep us locked down. No lockdown, no corona scare. Yes, we will stay home, we will stay safe, but we will not stop the regular working of the school, we will not stop classes, we will not stop learning, we will not stop innovating, we will not stop finding solutions for the most difficult problems. And therefore, after the first round of Scholar Badge ceremonies, we bring to you the investiture ceremony of the Head Council. So very happy to tell you that most of the students of the Vice Council were found ready and fit for the Head Council, and they have all been invested, they have all been informed, you have seen the lists, and I think every child has got what he or she desired, wanted, deserved. As parents of the school, you are aware that we have a very fair, transparent and a very clear system of selection of the council. So there are alumni who are involved, there are senior students who are involved, there are teachers who are involved, there are parents who are involved. And right in the end, I get to meet some of them and chat with them. And let me tell you, dear parents, I find it a very heartening moment when I talk to these children. I hear their thoughts, I listen to their dreams and their aspirations, and I'm filled with joy that you and I together have brought up wonderful, bright young men and women. I have said this often and I'll say it again. The post does not define a person. It is the person who defines the post. So I have not had so far an occasion where a student has got the post, except sometimes, and has not lived up to it. And there have been students who have not really got the post or have not even applied for it for some reason and have yet done so much more than what was expected of them. And that is reflected in the letter of recommendation which goes out from school for every student. So my only request to you, dear parents, is firstly, don't compare. Don't compare two children. Don't compare two posts. Just let the child be. Let them enjoy these last few months of school, however unusual they are. For our part, we are trying to ensure that every child who has got a post will get to do something. It has to be online because of the way things are, but they will do something. They will run their clubs, they will have their activities, they will speak to their juniors, they will be participating in assemblies. So many of them have already helped us to make podcasts for the children of Shiksha Kendra. It has been a very heartening and a very lively time that we have had with the students. Normally at this time is also the time I bid farewell to the senior council that is passing out. They've been through a lot of stress with the board exam happening and not happening. Normally they are sitting in the auditorium waiting to pin the badges, but alas, that can't happen now. However, I would like to thank the head council passing out that has done a good job. Most of them have really brought me great pride and joy at the way they have functioned. I would like this council, this head council 2020-21 to bring the same pride and joy to their school. And whatever they do will be reflected in the LOR that they will get. It is not very nice to have a post and you have a teacher saying you had the post but you did nothing. So I repeat what I said, the post does not define you, you define the post. I have seen children who have had posts which are not seen to be very, in the hierarchy. In my mind, there is no hierarchy. It's a division of work across. But some children do say, oh, he's a house captain, so he's going to do more than maybe a house prefect. But I have seen children, even without posts, doing a brilliant job of co-curriculars, of being good leaders, of leading by example. And I urge you, dear children, to please do that. A message for the parents. It's a special day today. Your child has got a post. From among 400 plus children, these few have been picked out and entrusted with something that the teachers felt that they could handle. please encourage your child. Have a mini celebration today and encourage them, help them along the next few months when they want to do something, they wish to innovate, introduce something new, try something different. Please help them, please encourage them. I'm always there to help them do something else, something besides what was being done. But I do need your help, dear parents, because alone we can't really achieve too much. In the end, I'll only say this, that be proud of who you are, what post you have, and even if you don't have a post, take pride in all you did, in all you will do, and all that you will carry with you when you leave the school also. Remember that when you apply for posts and jobs outside, these things do matter. And whatever you will do will hold you in good stead. Never let anyone tell you that, oh, this was not, I don't know why you're getting into it. It's of no use. This is useless. Nothing is useless. Something which is done with passion, with heart, for the community can never be wasteful. So continue to rise high, continue to dream big, continue to aspire, and may the stars and the moon and the entire galaxy be yours. God bless all of you.
Thank you, ma'am, for sharing and inspiring us. We request our Pro Vice Chairperson, Ms. Dhara Jaipuria, to kindly release the school magazine Pallav 2019-20. The magazine will be reaching your homes very soon.
We are here for the book release of our magazine Pallav. This magazine showcases the talent of the children, whatever they have been doing, their sporting activities, their debates, their elocution, their essays are all showcased in this. I am very proud that I am releasing this magazine today, and the children have really worked hard. My heartfelt thanks to Aditi ma'am that despite the lockdown, she has kept up with all the traditions of the school and has found a way to reach out to people through technology. I'm very proud of the children of DPS Gurgaon for putting this fabulous magazine together. Thank you. Good day.
Thank you, ma'am, for sharing and inspiring us. Dance is the joy of movement and the heart of life, the rhythm of the body, the melody of the mind, and the harmony of the soul create a symphony of life. Through an amalgamation of Kathak and contemporary dance, our talented young dancers will portray Man Mandira, the power of knowledge.
मन मंदिरा ते जाने ओ मन मंदिरा ते जाने उजळू नगे ही साधका मन मंदिरा ते जाने उजळू नगे ही साधका संवेदना संवेदना संवादे सहवेदना जपदाना मन मंदिरा गरना निजा 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 निया
Knowledge is the light of the inner soul. As knowledge grows, light flames up from within.
सहज सुखा का भोगी कोणी तळहाताच्या रेशानी सहज सुखा का भोगी कोणी स्वयं प्रकाशी तू तारा चैतन्याचा गाभारा भर पंखातून स्वप्न उद्याचे झेप घेरे उजळून घ्यायचा दगा मन मर्दिरा मन मर्दिरा मन मर्दिरा
ni ni sa 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 ni sa 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 ni sa sa re sa sa ni da ba ni sa 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 ni sa 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 ni sa sa re sa sa ni da ba mama ba mama ba mama ba mama ba mama ni da ba ma gare ma re sa ni sa ni sa sa re sa sa ni sa sa re sa sa mama ba ma ba ni da ba mama ba ma ba ni da ba pa ni sa re 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 ga re ga re sa sa ni ni ma ba ni sa 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 ni sa sa ni sa sa ni re re ni sa sa ni ma ba ni ga ga sa re re ni sa re re sa ni sa ni sa re sa ni sa re re sa ni ba ni sa sa ba ni sa re 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 ma ba ga ga re re ga sa ni sa re ba na re ma ga re sa ni sa re ni da ba ba ma ba ni sa sa sa
The lyrics of हम होंगे कामयाब and आ चल के तुझे मैं लेके चलूं are a clarion call to be inspired and stay motivated even in these unusual times.
सूरज की पहली किरण से आशा का सवेरा जागे सूरज की पहली किरण से आशा का सवेरा जागे चंदा की किरण से धुलकर घन घोर अंधेरा भागे चंदा की किरण से धुलकर घन घोर अंधेरा भागे कहीं धूप खिले कहीं छाँव मिले लंबी सी डगर न खले जहाँ गम भी न हो आंसू भी न हो बस प्यार ही प्यार भले आंचल के तुझे मैं लेने चलूं एक ऐसे गगन के तले जहाँ गम भी न हो आंसू भी न हो बस प्यार ही प्यार भले we shall overcome. We shall overcome. We shall overcome someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe that we shall overcome someday. That we shall overcome someday. सारे जहां से अच्छा, सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा हमारा, सारे जहां से अच्छा। हम बुलबुले हैं इसकी, ये गुलसितां हमारा हमारा, सारे जहां से अच्छा। हिंदुस्तान हमारा हमारा, सारे जहां से अच्छा।
Alumni are important stakeholders of our community. Karthik Hariharan and Bhavya Arora were members of the Head Student Council in the year 2010 and 12 respectively. They actively participated in the selection process of the present Student Council. They lead by example, sharing their motivational message.
With great power comes great responsibility. I know you've heard this line before and it's from Spider-Man, but it's true. In a time of misinformation, untruth, societal and global upheaval, it means something to be appointed as a school leader. For some, it might be passion. For many others, it might be power or a golden ticket to a better college. But despite all of that, it still means something to be recognized by your teachers and by your principal. It means something to cut through competition and be where you are right now and prove something to society, to your loved ones, to your parents, and most importantly, to yourself. But this is a special year with special needs, special challenges, and special opportunities. If you think your leadership is limited to the school, think again. It is school students across the world who are leading political movements and uplifting human conscience. If someone in our country had to passionately do the same, I would probably bet on you guys. So, if you are waiting for a sign from the universe, this is probably it. May the force be with you. Peace.
Hey, this is Bhavya from the batch of 2012-13. I'm here to congratulate you on this fantastic accomplishment and to share a few tips and tricks on how to think of the year ahead. So tip number 1, take ownership. Own every small meeting and every large competition and everything in between that comes your way. Participate as a leader, as a member, whatever you can. That's how you'll grow, that's how you'll learn. Number 2, stay true to who you are. You're going to be a council member, but you're also a student, you're also probably an athlete, you're also a friend, you're also a son or a daughter. Make sure that you justify to all those roles and split your time properly. Number 3, be fair, be kind. People helped you out, people mentored you, people pushed you in the right direction, and that's why you reached where you are. Make sure you give the same opportunities to those around you. And when in doubt, when you don't know what's happening, where to take the next step, just ask the next teacher, the next peer you meet. I'm sure they'll push you in the right direction. Good luck, have a lovely day and a lovely year ahead.
The oath-taking ceremony. The leadership team will now be investing the office bearers. I invite our headmistress, Senior School, Miss Arpana Gupta, to administer the oath of office to the House appointees.
Good evening, everyone. To inspire a healthy sense of competition, students of DPS Gurgaon have been allocated one of the 6 houses which symbolize the school's values. Students develop a sense of belonging and a feeling of unity in being a part of a specific house. The 6 houses are named after the rivers, the lifelines of our nation, and also are symbolic of strength and zeal. Each house is led by the house captains along with the sports and co-curricular captains who guide their teams on all fronts and play a vital role in leading their team to victory in all events. Participating in various inter-house competitions not only gives the students a chance to display their talents but also help them learn valuable lessons on teamwork and selfless service. We proudly present to you the house captains and the co-curricular captains for the year 2020 and 21.
Chinab, House Captain Devita Gupta, Abhimanyu Garg, Co-Curricular Captain Mrinalika Chaturvedi, Syed Uroz. Ganges, House Captain Riya Malik, Nipun Gupta, Co-Curricular Captain Fiza Saluja, Kritika Nair. Jamuna, House Captain Yasika Tuteja, Hriman Mukherjee, Co-Curricular Captain Arushi Agarwal, Kushagra Shrivastava. Jhelum, House Captain Sanskriti Bansal, Trisha Sen Gupta, Co-Curricular Captain Anvi Madan, Rishit Gupta. Ravi, House Captain Janvi Tripathi, Ishasri Acharya, Co-Curricular Captain Aditi Azad, Dhruv Khorana. Satluj, House Captain Devina Vig, Neil Madan, Co-Curricular Captain Uday Somani, Manav Verma.
I hereby pledge that as the captain of my house, I shall perform my duties to the best of my ability with utmost compassion, sincerity, and dedication. I shall follow the path of collaboration and cooperation, thereby leading my house on the path of success. I shall abide by all the rules and regulations of our school and shall always keep the flag of my house, Delhi Public School, Gurgaon, and my country flying high. I request Ms. Sapna Dhawan, Dean Student Welfare, to administer the oath of office to the club appointees. Thank you.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. It is indeed an honor to be investing these young leaders as presidents of the school clubs, 17 clubs which render an opportunity to connect and correlate academics with hobbies in the real world context. 17 clubs striving to hone 21st century skills of critical thinking, effective communication, leading to collaboration. I will now announce all the club presidents, followed by the oath of office. Allotrops: Brinda Khanduri and Aditya Pandya. As You Like It, Astha Narayan and Nandika Kanotra. Dharohar, Devadeepa Das and Vanshika Sharma. Ensemble, Ashna Oberoi and Advan Chaudhary. Insight, Reva Oberoi and Manasvi Kumar. Interact Club, Ananya Singh and Vidit Perwa. Kaizen, Prabnoor Khurana and Vedant Oswal. Legal Literacy Club, Dishita Lohra and Dhruv Sharma. Lingua Clava, Mokshita Gupta and Yash Vasdev. Node, Mahesh Madhavan, Rajat Verma and Santripta Sharma. Pi Squad, Riti Mohan and Aryan Gupta. Pulse, Kemyan Nair and Kuvam Sareen. Redshift, Richik Datta, Asmit Agarwal. Squad, Ankit Bharadwaj and Manav Taluja. TEDx Youth, Navya Garg and Kaustav Agarwal. Viewfinders, Vaidehi Singh and Vyom Agarwal. Yuvrang, Varuni Mahajan and Uday Singh. Congratulations, dear children. Now it's time to invest you all as presidents of the school clubs. I hereby pledge that as the club president of my club, I shall uphold the ethos of my club to the best of my ability. I shall work relentlessly to lead the members of my club in honing their skills, talents, and interests. I shall be unbiased in my behavior towards my peers. I shall abide by the rules and regulations of the school and shall always keep the flag of Delhi Public School Gurgaon and my country flying high. I will now request Ms. Santhwana Thadani, Vice Principal DPS Gurgaon, to please administer the oath to the cultural presidents. Thank you.
Good evening. Our cultural presidents have always led our school from the front. They have done a wonderful job, whether it is in music, dance, theatre, and peer education. They have led the school always from the front and have been part of loads of outreach programs. Congratulations, children who are getting invested as the cultural presidents of the school. Health Council, Devyani Singh, Sharaf Tanna. Theatre, Arshia Chaudhary, Hardik Sharma, Ishan Sharma. Events and functions, Imani Dhingra, Arushi Goyal, Adhyan Goyal. Dance, Sanchari De, Vrinda Srivastav, Ishita Roy. Music, Akanksha Sarkar, Swastika Thakur, Veronica Verma, Iron Bimro, Ishant Arora. Student Welfare and Community Service, Medhya Raghav, Nandini Nathani, Kush Channa, Sanchit Khera. Peer Educators, Arovi Ray Chaudhary, Sia Sharma. The oath for the cultural presidents. Students, wherever you are, please say the oath with me in spirit. I hereby pledge that as the cultural president, I shall execute the responsibilities invested in me by the best of my ability. I shall consciously work towards building team spirit and mindfulness among the members. I shall abide by all the rules and regulations of the school. I shall keep the flag of DPS Gurgaon and my country flying high. I now request our Director Principal Aditi Ma'am to invest the students of the Head Council. Thank you.
It's now the turn of the co-scholastic presidents to take the oath. They collectively act as a thinking mind that seeks to inspire and think out of the box, and they catalyze the student body to discover the limitless possibilities. So the editors, the Secretary General MUN, the art presidents, the sports captains all work together to bring a change in the lives of their peers. The Secretary Generals MUN, Arya Vasan and Dhruv Kairon. The sports captains Aksha, Bhavika Jethwani, Gursimar Kaur Kohli, Niranjana Das, Abhinav Singh, Arnav Kadian. The editors Anushka Trihant, Shruti Muruganandam and Indrajit Gopinath. The art presidents Aditri Day, Ishita Bharadwaj and Mudita Marwa. The head council are a group of dedicated, energetic, enthusiastic young leaders who are chosen through a very transparent but a tough process that tests their integrity and competence. These 8 heads epitomize 3 aspects of a student's life: to be positive role models, to lead by example, to keep a balance between work and academics. Through their work, through their academic activity, they seek to inspire their peers and their juniors. Donning the mantle of responsibility, they pledge to promote a sense of ownership and commitment among their fellow students. They are the messengers of positivity in these unusual times, harnessing the power of students to contemplate, ideate, and learn from each other. I now proudly announce the names of the school presidents: Bhuvaneshwari Prasad, Disha Pruthi, Naman Mudani, and Sahil Nagpal. I also welcome the new heads of the school: Prisha Prakash, Mallika Datta, Archishman Chaudhary, and Sanmay Moitra. We start the oath now. I hereby pledge that I shall execute the responsibilities vested in me to the best of my abilities. I shall at all times be respectful and compassionate towards my peers. I shall lead by example and always carry the spirit of the school motto: service before self, in word, spirit, and deed. I shall be resilient in the face of challenges. I shall abide by all the rules and regulations of my school and shall always keep the flag of Delhi Public School Gurgaon and my country flying high. Jai Hind.
Thank you, ma'am. Leaders become great not because of their power, but because of their ability to empower others. On this note, let us call upon Prisha Prakash and Sanmay Moitra, members, Head Student Council, to propose the vote of thanks.
Good evening, everyone, and a hearty congratulations to all. The investiture ceremony is a sacred event. It is a mark of the school's trust in us, the student body. For entrusting us with such great responsibility, we would like to thank our Director Principal Aditi ma'am. Ma'am, you are the reason we are all here today. Your devotion and commitment has helped instill in us a passionate love for the school. Your exceptional leadership and compassion has helped us become the young adults we are today. You have given us a family with constant love, support, and guidance, which has helped us flourish not only as individuals but also as a team. Thank you for working tirelessly day and night to ensure our well-being despite such challenging circumstances. Thank you for being our guardian angel and for being there for us whenever we needed you. You are a principal whose legacy will be remembered fondly. Thank you. Thank you, Santwana ma'am, for always inspiring us and motivating us to follow our dreams. Your loving and supportive nature has helped us navigate through difficult situations with ease and comfort. Thank you for guiding us through every turn of life and standing by our side.
We'd also like to thank Sapna ma'am and Arpana ma'am for everything that it is that they do for us. Thank you for not limiting us, for believing that we're limitless, for pushing us to work hard because you believe that we can succeed, and for telling us that we deserve the world because you think we do. Most importantly, thank you for listening because you care. Thank you for motivating us to work hard, to push ourselves, and to succeed in everything that we do. Thank you so much for your unstinting support and guidance. We'd also like to thank all of our teachers who've been working tirelessly to ensure that we learn and become better people, even in these unprecedented times. I'd like to share a quote. You can't achieve anything entirely by yourself. There's a support system that is a basic requirement of human existence. To be happy and successful, you just have to have people that you can rely on. For us, that is all of our teachers. I know I can always rely on you for anything and everything, even in the most uncertain times. Thank you for everything that you do for us. We are forever grateful.
Being a part of the student council of a school with such a vibrant, successful and rich culture is a great honor. We promise to carry out the responsibilities entrusted upon us and keep the school flag flying high. To do this, we will continually seek inspiration and motivation from our mentors and our teachers. Thank you.